everyone, it's Nerf again. I'm bringing you another unboxing and review. This time it's for the Nerf Alian Menace foam blade dagger. I just got this in from Toys R Us. I ordered it, I believe it was about a week ago. So the shipping is pretty quick on that. And so without any further ado, let's get it out of the box. And I'm not even going to bother time-lapsing this because there's only one little spot it's held in. And I'm going to be really careful with this because I don't want to damage it. Good grief, this was in there a little better than I thought. Alright. There we go. That's actually got a pretty comfortable handle. It's pretty nice. The deco on this is very nice. It's got a nice embossed Nerf logo there. On this side we have a nicely painted Alien Menace logo. And the paint that they've put on here is very nice. It's a little rough around the seam on the edges, but other than that, it's really nice. The blade isn't in perfect condition. This was shipped, well, it was shipped in a big old box along with something else that I'm also making a unboxing video on today as well. It's also got a little deal here, patent number, all rights reserved, licensed by Hasbro, all that fun stuff. But funnily enough, there's no warning labels on this. It's interesting. I actually haven't seen Hasbro put any warning labels on any of their foam weaponry. I'm wondering if that's because they're not legally obligated. Man, my tongue is getting twisted today. But yeah, the paint scheme is very nice. I'm actually a big fan of the Alien Menace line. It's got a little paracord deal here on the handle. I'm really digging that, and it's solid. Darn, that kind of hurts. It's not as bad if you get hit by a side of it, but you get hit by the blade. It's pretty solid. It is a pretty dense foam. Although I really like the build quality of this. The overall quality of this is pretty good. I would say it definitely has some LARP applications as far as the sci-fi dagger look of it goes. And as far as throwing it, it's so light that if you throw this, it's just going to spiral out of control, and there's no controlling this thing once it leaves your hand. It's maybe for like 10 feet, but other than that, no. But as far as the overall quality of it, it's pretty nice. I definitely can recommend this. I got this for $11 on ToysRUs.com. I believe it's originally $15. Somewhere around the $15-20 mark is the original price, and I wouldn't pay the full price for this. As far as like $15 or $20, it might be worth $15 depending on how much you're willing to spend on the Alien Menace aesthetic. If not, then you can go on eBay or something like that, and you can go ahead and just buy the original enforced dager. Excuse me. That I believe came with a shield. This is a bit bigger than the old enforced dager, but it's also a bit it's also a bit thicker. It also doesn't come with a shield, so as far as a versus little situation there, I'm not sure how that would really play out. It's kind of a matter of personal preference. But I think this would end up probably being a little bit cheaper overall. It's got a very nice finish on it. It's nice and smooth for most of the time, except for where the injection sites are for the injection molding. But it is, it's a pretty nice little thing. I can't wait to add it to my endwar loadout. I'm probably going to have it sticking in the back of my battle belt, so I can just whip it out and slay some zombies in hand or foam to hand combat, so to speak. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment in the comments below. Always love hearing what you guys have to say. And this is Nerfinator, signing off.